Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys, for sticking around, showing so much love on a day-to-day basis. I cannot thank you enough. Continue supporting. I know that these updates are not regular in terms of day-to-day. I've been, doing every other day if you're noticing the trend, but I'm going to try my best, guys, to give you guys the daily update. So continue supporting and you will continue to see these updates. But if we're looking at the markets, guys, wow. The crypto market is looking beautiful, especially over this past 1 week. Great stuff happening with the price of Bitcoin, along with the entire altcoin market. If you're looking at the daily time frame, once again, double-digit gains across the market with a lot of coins. If you're looking at the weekly time frame, pretty much everything is up double digits, and of course on the monthly time frame as well, now things are turning back into the green. So in the grand scheme of things, things are looking bullish once again. But let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Pepe and what is yet to come. But before I get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price of Pepe, 4 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 1222, up 6.5% in USD comparative, also up about 2% in Bitcoin and about 3% in BTC comparative. Looking at its market cap, $5.15 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $1.8 billion. The trading volume for Pepe has gone through the roof. That again shouldn't really be coming as a surprise to any one of us at this point, because you know what's happening with the broader market. But let's continue to take a look at what we're looking at. So if you're looking at the holder count for Pepe, 261,785, so almost 262,000 holders. And the trend I'm noticing is at about 500 holders per day. And again, that's what I'm noticing right now. It could even go higher, but there could be times where you see that number decrease. But definitely really nice things to point out. Looking at the broader meme coin market, up 6.9%, guys. That is significant. That is not a small number. If you've been picking up altcoins, if you've been picking up meme coins over the past few days, you are up right now. Look across the market, whether you're holding, Mew, whether you're holding Bohm, whether you're holding Bread Token, Popcat, whatever the case may be, you are up double digits over the last 7 days. And Pepe definitely looking good as well. Almost halfway, to the Shiba Inu's market valuation, which is absolutely crazy. And I do believe, that Pepe does have that chance to take over Shiba Inu this cycle. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening. If we're looking at a dominance index, obviously that has gone up 55.36%. If we're looking at BTC, on the other hand, Bitcoin closed its daily candle. Yep, you've heard that correct. Above $66,000. We actually went all the way up to $67,189 for the first time pretty much in a month. And obviously we do have significant amount of resistance, exactly the level that I spoke to you guys about, 67.2. That actually got retested pretty much, but we're seeing a little bit of a resistance. But the fact that we have closed the daily candle above here speaks a lot. And I'm very excited to see what is coming for the entire market, because this is a really, really good sign. And this is bullish, and I have turned again bullish for the market. Obviously we were in a bull market, but you guys know I was waiting for that confirmation level at that $64,000 to $65,000 to be broken, and you can see this for yourself. We broke out of here and things really did look good. But let's take a look at what's happening with our girlfriend Pepe right now. So right now we're noticing the daily time frame. You're noticing a little bit of a pattern, and the pattern that I'm referring to right now is this. I want you guys to focus on these massive rallies. So when the price of Pepe pumped up about 840%, we did see a significant drop within its price. You could say pretty much 61.72%, pretty much ranged back in April around this range, and then we finally picked up going into May, hitting new all-time highs. If you want to measure that move, you saw Pepe go up 327%, and again a very similar price correction. This time around we did see the price go down to the support line, about a 53.94% retracement, not as significant as before. Of course, one thing I want you guys to realize is around this time market valuation for Pepe was way lower compared to where it's at now. So easier to get manipulated, obviously. And it's as the coin gets higher and higher in market valuation, it gets harder and harder for it to see massive swings. But nonetheless, 53% drop by no means is a small drop. It's a significant drop. But the previous all-time high did play as a level of support, and if you picked up around that range, you did do quite well. You did see a price of Pepe go up about 60%. But what you're noticing right now is quite a bit of resistance coming in. It's where we've been consolidating. We actually did reach the 1295 zone. Again, as I've said, significant amount of resistance around that range, but the target remains to be the same at the 1448 zone. That's where my eyes are right now, and that is where the price of Pepe is looking like it's heading towards. The chart speaks for itself. It's looking great. Obviously, as I've said to you guys, you need to understand, it's a baby steps. You're not going to see significant reversals overnight, but 60% move in a matter of a week and a half is very, very good. So if you're already starting to get greedy and you're looking at some of these small cap coins that are absolutely exploding, and you're sitting here and saying, oh, Pepe is not seeing those explosive moves, let me tell you, Pepe is not going to see those 2,000, 3,000% moves. It's just not going to see that overnight. Maybe it could get to those levels, slowly but surely, but it's not going to happen overnight, and I want you guys to realize that. And if you're here to think, Pepe could even potentially 100x, I'm sorry to break to you, that is not a realistic thing to be searching. But that does not mean, but hear me out, that does not mean Pepe cannot make gains. It has that narrative behind itself. Obviously, that coin, frog coin, first one in the market, something different. We've been noticing only about Doge coins like dogs as of now, but cats are picking up. The cat narrative is now picking up. The pop cat, I think, would be the highest cat coin in terms of market valuation, about $890 million, could be breaking towards $1 billion. And again, this is a Solana coin, but as far as cats go, this is the biggest coin right now. So the narratives is also something you want to be paying attention to when you're looking at meme coins. But as of now, still the closest one in terms of getting to the Shiba Inu levels, or actually getting to high market valuations, is Pepe right now. It still has that head start. I still do believe that competition could definitely be there. We could see a very close competition playing out, whether it's going to be between Pepe or Shiba, or Dog with Hat or Pepe or some other coin. That is going to be, of course, really, really exciting to see. But along the way, you need to lock those profits in, and I cannot stress this enough. Let's not get greedy. Lock these profits in. If you're up 60% right now and you're kind of on the sidelines thinking, should I lock in profits, should I not, and like I said to you guys before, if the money is too much that you cannot afford to lose, lock those profits in. That's the biggest sign that you are getting. But so far so good. Liking what I'm seeing. The target remains the same at the 1452 zone, and then things can really start getting exciting. But let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, we're in a weekend. On the weekends, more manipulation than usual, but we'll keep you guys posted. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX. Peace out.